Okay, chapter 1, assembling and connection of the wireless system 8003. As you can see, you're taking a screwdriver, we are pushing it here slightly, then we can open the box. Opening the box, what you can see here, the backup batteries, the GSM module, the LCD module, and the system with the transceiver. The connections. Here you can see the module of the GSM. Here you can see this is the place we are assembling the SIM card. Okay, the SIM card should be installed without any power, not a backup battery and not the DC power. We have here additional connections, which is terminal block number 1 and terminal block number 2. As you can see, I'm approaching my two fingers. By moving into the two sides, I can pick it up. It's for easy installation. We can here connect the wires, and here we are in this way we can make it easier. We are connecting the wire here. Okay, everything is on my hand. And we're putting it back to its place. This is the way you are doing the wiring. Okay, the terminal block. Okay, the terminal block explanation. What we have here. The first two connection is Z2 ground and Z1. Z2 represents zone number 2, the wired zone, and ground. Z1 representing zone number 1, wired zone, and ground. The meaning is the two wired zones that you connect to the system should be installed to here. We have here additional input. It is the output, more or less. It's the bell and ground. Bell and ground, the meaning is you can connect to the system a wired siren. The system permits you to connect a wired system apart of the wireless, and the connection is between the bell and ground. Auxiliary. This is the power for the two wired detectors, the two wired zone. The connection should be auxiliary is the positive connection and ground is the negative connection. The meaning is that from here you will give that voltage to the detector, and the output of the detector will go to ground and zone 1, ground and zone 2. Continuing with the connection. Here you can see the PGM, the first one. PGM is programmable output. Okay, the meaning is that this output is a negative output that the installer should install according to the installation needs. Okay. Continuing. This is the connection for the line in and line out. Line in and line out, the meaning is that the system can connect to the a regular wired telephone line. The wired telephone line that's coming from the street, the main line, should be connected to line in, and line out going into the premises to the telephone, meaning the system in this way of connection sitting between the main line and the set. And if there is an event, the system is scissoring the line and taking the first line as priority and sending the messages to the monitoring station. Okay, this is the connection, terminal block number 1 and terminal block number 2. Okay, the connection of the power should be as follows. This is the connection to the power. We are inserting the PLC from here and connecting it to here. The backup battery system coming with the backup battery which can hold the system if there is an AC power cutoff. when connecting the AC power, we should insert the plug into the socket, and the moment we are plugging the AC adapter, the system start functioning.
זהו, זה פרק ראשון?
כן. And